Fields in silence, bells at dawn. Echoes whisper what's long gone. Crowns are rusted, flags are torn. 1,000 notes were sworn and worn. Fields remember every scar. Iron beneath the storm. Faith and fire, blade and trust. We build our kingdoms in the dust. Right through the storm, through shadowlands, blood on the steel, faith in our hands, echoes of thunder, heavens reclaim, the crown may fall, but souls remain. Rivers spilled and mountains mourn, church bells fade as night is born. Walls are trembling, luck decayed, every throne begins to fade. The sun burns red on broken shields, heroes vanish in the fields. Names remembered, legends told.